Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Happy Thursday, everybody. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Paquetia. On this channel, I discuss a lot of things. Let me just be frank with you. You may get some coffee reels, you may get me cooking, or just some regular lifestyle content. However, I do spend a good amount of time talking about my journeys as a small business owner, and then just kind of recalibrating my business, making some significant changes, and then trying to figure out how to move things forward. So today I want to provide you with a quick business update. If you were here for some of my videos from maybe a month or so ago where I talked at length about some of the pain points of running a business, I want to share a couple of updates on that. And then I also want to share some crazy life updates just because it's just getting wild around here. But I'm really excited about it. So let's just jump in because I don't want this video to be really long. I didn't take notes and I don't want to be rambling. Okay. So first things first, from a small business perspective with our stationery business, I think the last update I provided was that we were starting to work with a marketing team. So I've been having some one-on-one sessions with them, just kind of talking about goal setting strategies around some of our marketing updates. I'm very happy because I have seen from an analytics perspective, we've been driving a lot more traffic in the last 2 weeks. Literally, it's like up 800%, which is amazing, right? Like things that I really wasn't thinking about, from like just a website copy and adding keywords and optimizing product descriptions and pictures and things like that. I just didn't think about all of those things. And that's a lot to do on the back end, but it works. Like it really works. This is just a slow, kind of painful process because I'm not hiring somebody specifically for SEO or website development. And I feel like people are crawling out of the woodwork to say, oh, we could do this and get your website, blah, blah, blah. It's working. I've done it on my own. I do not trust people that just kind of cold call or send you cold emails to ask you, hey, I could do a service for you. I didn't ask for you. I didn't even know you existed. So why are you emailing me? But we've been doing that. I've paid for people to make sure that kind of thing gets done, and I am starting to see the results. So I am anxiously anticipating a lot of conversions as a result. Let's see. So the marketing piece, updating, again, a lot of the back end details of our website, like yeah, and just in real time, right? Because when you run a small business, you are all the people. And it's just not cost effective for me to start hiring out people and resources to do, every little thing that it's not my strong suit to do, right? So I think this was a good decision. Again, as I start seeing a lot more progress and a lot more conversions on the website, because again, the goal is a strong e-commerce. I've talked at length about my experience with pop-up markets and vendor markets and things like that. We're still doing one. We're still doing them. We have one coming up this weekend. Holiday markets, we actually do really enjoy. But we're just not going to be doing every market. Every time somebody calls, can you come? No, girl, I'm not coming. So we will be doing markets that, like we've talked about that already. But anyway, but the goal for us is really just our e-commerce. It is the website. I want the website to be a thriving entity all by itself. So again, we've seen the analytics. There's a lot more there's a lot more site traffic. And then our other kind of educational resources, our blogs and things like that, I've seen post, readership and viewership also go up, which is a great transition to this next part of the conversation, I have started a subscription blog, and it's called Grace to Thrive. And inside of that, I'm really excited about it. We'll really be talking about some more candid conversations around just navigating spaces that you're in, navigating career hurdles and career, ideas and adjustments and things like that, navigating relationships, family and friends, and, ending relationships, starting new relationships. Boundaries. My first post was all about boundaries. Just organizing your time. The time management piece will never go away from me. So if you're here, the time management piece will always be a real thing. So organizing your time around the holidays and things like that. And me even sharing some personal stories about decisions and personal development journeys that I've been on. One of those topics that I will be talking about in that blog is the fact that I just quit my job. I have turned in my letter of resignation after being with my company for a number of years and being in my sector of technology and in my discipline of project management. For a long, long time, I have turned in my letter of resignation, and I'm super excited about it. And I'm nervous, right? So I've given myself some time to work on a couple of things, develop a couple of things, complete the development of some things, and launch some things on my own. I just turned 50 this year, and I don't know if 50 is, I made a post, I'm not sure if it's a midlife crisis or if it's an absolute awakening. So I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna just go with it. I'm just going to go with it. And so inside of Grace to Thrive, I'm going to be talking about what this new experience is and what it feels like and how I prepared for it. I'm going to talk about the financial ramifications of making decisions like this, what the response from my company was when I, sent my letter in, what my next steps are going to be. All of those things, all the highs and the lows and the fun and the laughs, and hopefully no tears. So anyway, I have really been enjoying connecting with the community that I am connecting with here on YouTube. It is such a wonderful feeling to be able to talk to people that have similar life experiences, similar aspirations. I can't remember the woman's channel, but she talks at length about making sure that you don't lose yourself in your corporate space. I had already made the decision to do what I'm doing, but then just finding her page and just seeing the freedom that she has and talking about it. I'm going to tag her page in the description. I really appreciate, if you're watching, I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your content. It just felt like a really good, it just felt like a great confirmation, like, oh, okay, I'm not crazy. I'm not the only one out here doing stuff. So I appreciate her content so much. It has just been fun to watch and just refreshing to listen to. But again, even the people in the comments, in the interactions. So it's been so nice. Somebody on Instagram said, girl, I feel like I found my tribe. Y'all, I feel like I found my tribe. So I am enjoying it. If you are interested, subscribe to Grace to Thrive. There'll be probably some blog written content and some video content that will only be in there to talk about this next phase in all things My Life in Pieces and Hayward Love. So I definitely hope that you join me, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.